Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture, we will display your lectures. So lectures here, guys. You see here. This is your box component, and then outside it here. Here we have to create another box component. So here, box. You have to just create with me box component. Then inside it here in the box, guys, you have to add the distance style. That is a margin top. It is a 16 px. Now check it here. Here we have the some spaces. Let me remove this. But it is nothing. This is margin top format of document. Then here this is a margin top. Got it? Then inside here we have the. Then inside here you have to map your lectures. So that's why guys inside it here that is section. Okay, section dot lectures. Then forward slash dot map functions. Then inside it here you have done this is a lecture and a lecture index. So inside it here you have to make the other functions. Got it? Then inside it here the first thing inside it here that is a lecture. Then here you have lecture index, lecture lecture index. Got it? Okay. Then inside here you have the box component. So just here you have to create your box component. Then inside it here you have the distance style. So just you have to write it. So inside it here, okay, inside box. That is here you have to use in the key. That is lecture dot underscore id. Got it? So then after that, here you have to add the additional styles. So let here it the 6 equal. Then inside it here, okay, inside it here you have to display the color that is a background background colors here. Okay, that is hash 33. Got it? The next thing here to padding session px. This is only css color, guys. So here you have to just write it 16 px. Okay, the next it is border radius 4 px. Border border radius it is 4 px. And then next it is, guys, border px. Then margin bottom at px. Margin bottom. Margin bottom at px. Okay, you see it is a ppx. Let me remove this and then update it. It's below. This is a margin bottom 8 px. Then border here you have to add the border. Hit border around in the lectures. Border 1 px. Then solid. Okay, then hash e 0 e0 e0. Got it? So let format your document. So this is your box. Okay, and then after that inside it here you have to create the another box component. So let here you have to create your box. Okay, this is a capital, guys. Then inside it here, okay, inside it here you have to add the distance styles in this box component. That is sx. Okay, inside it here you have to write that is display flex justified content space between. So display flex, then justified content it is center. Got it? So let here you have to format your document, justified content, space between guys, and space between. Got it? So this is your box component. And then inside it here you have your typography component. Basically here inside it here you will display your lectures. Got it? So inside it, that is your typography component. Then inside it here you have to display your lecture. Okay. And this is your lecture, guys. Then inside it here you have to write the lecture index plus one. Lecture lecture index plus one. Got it? Lecture index plus one. Then here little bit make it in the space here for your title. Inside it here now you have to display that is lecture dot title. Here if we have the lecture dot title then we will display here. Then inside it here inside the typography here you have to add the distance styles. Inside it that is a color here white text, then font weight bold, margin bottom at px. So let here that is additional color. Okay. Then inside it here that is a color here you have the hash fff. Then here font weight bold, font weight it is a bold. Then font weight bold, margin bottom at px, margin bottom that is a apx. Got it? So let format your document. Got it? Now fine. So let me check it here. So here you can refresh this. You see guys, now it is looking very good. You see introduction, topic, basics, topic B. Got it? So here you successfully implemented. So here is similar thing guys. Here for this lecture, we have also like edit and delete icon. So let's implement it here. So this is the your typography component. Okay. So this is your typography. Then it's below here you have to create your box component. Okay. So let's here. That is a box component. Got it. Then inside, okay, inside a box component. Here you have your icon button. Okay, that is a library add check icon. So here to implement the feature. Okay, guys. So here you have the icon button. Okay, this is icon button. Then inside a icon button, guys. Here you have to display your notes icon. Basically here we will use the ternary operator guys. Here if we have the lecture or content, okay. So let me here you can really understand. So here you go to inside it here if the lecture dot content basically this lecture dot content if here have the value then we will display the another icon, otherwise we will display the another icon. Here you see the first section have the lecture but lecture here, but in the lecture have no content here, but in the second section the lecture have the content as well as its content here, content data here. So let's for that we will here implementing the logic. So inside icon button here, so inside icon button here inside it here you have the lecture dot content. So here you have to assess the lecture. If we have the lecture then assess the content. Okay guys, then here we will use the ternary operator. Then inside the parenthesis we will display the another icon. So just here the first inside it here that is a library add check icon. So let me here go to the top. Then this one guys copy this. You need to copy this. Then paste it here. Okay. Then close it. Okay guys, then next it is guys notes icon. So let me here go to the top, then this notes icon, copy this, then use it here in the second one, paste it, then inside. Okay guys, so here you have to add the its color sx equal inside it there's a color, it's white, color hash fff, got it. Then the same thing for the others, copy this, and then here inside it here you have to create color white. So let me check it here guys. You see here we have the different icon, but here we have the different icon, but guys here color is with that color guys. Here what happened guys with color, this is the color. Okay, here why now here we have the colors. Okay, white. Okay, now it is looking very good guys. Okay, then next thing here, you see here if here we have the content, then we will display this type of icon, check icon, otherwise this type of icon, got it. Now let here we have to display the another icon. So this is the first one guys. Okay, then next it is here for the videos. So let me here you have to copy this one. Here formative document, then here you have the next one guys, here you have to paste it, that is after that. Here we will display the on demand video icon here. So just here you have to copy this one, this icon on demand video icon. So you have to just copy this one, paste it. Then the next it is here otherwise personal video icon. So just you need to this icon, copy this, then here you have to paste it. This is your second icon in place of notes icon. Okay guys, so here the thing here guys, I think this is a video URL. So let me here remove the content, then here you have to write just video URL. So let's create this variable inside dummy data inside sections. For now just it is empty string, here inside it just paste it, then make it empty string. In the next section just inside it here you have to write anything like https. Okay, here you can write a youtube URL. Okay, so for now just it is a dummy data, so don't worry about it too much, got it. So let also here you have to format your document, then check it here guys, then you will see here if it is here we have the here if we have the video URL, then we will display this type of icon, otherwise here we will display this type of icon, got it. Got it. Now the next it is here to this is icon button. Okay, then again here the next thing for edit and delete icon. So copy this icon button, then inside it here you have to paste it. Okay, so here the inside it here guys, it is just it is a edit icon and delete icon. So here no need to check the conditions. You should remove all these things. Also this one just here this is the icon button, and let me remove this. Here you have to edit icon, edit. Okay, just make the space, then here write the edit icon, got it. Then next it is here copy this, again we will use for the delete icon. So this is the edit icon. Now here you have to use use the delete icon. So here write on the delete icon, got it. So this is a This is for the delete icon. So let me check it here, guys. Hmm. Here you have to refresh it. Now you see here, guys. Now it is looking very good. Okay, got it. So in the next lecture, we will create here your button for the sections. Got it. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lectures.